Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Hey y'all, it's Latifa Perez and I'm back with another video. It's a little different. I'm doing more of a voiceover style on this video for today, but I do have another Amazon wig. It is a 26-inch 13x4 lace front wig from Hollow Nice. I am going over the pros and cons and showing y'all how I achieve the same exact style. So if you're new, stay tuned throughout this video, and if you aren't new as well and you're back to my channel, hey, let's get straight into today's video. Welcome back. Your girl is back with another video. It's been so long. Your girl's been MIA. Like, we have to update each other. I know. I'm just waiting for the girlies who love the quality content. Like, I'm just waiting to find my group of girls that's really there for me. But I've been MIA for multiple reasons. Reason one, I'm a mom. I'm a mom. And if you're a mother, then you know life be lifing when you're a mom. I'm a mom 24/7. Like 24/7. I'm the daycare, I'm the teacher, I'm the mom. Like, I'm just everything all at once. Another reason, these companies have been playing. I am not going to present quality work for free. Why do you feel like you can come on my channel just because of my subscriber or whatever and think I'm going to work for free? I'm not taking the wig for in exchange for a video that you want to keep forever and then make money off me. It's not happening. So stop emailing me that. It's not working that way. You're not taking your time to email me for free. So don't think I'm going to work for free. Yeah. It's been a while. A lot of things have been going on and I'm not here for everything. Like, I'm just really trying to sit back and reflect because I miss the days where we would come on YouTube and the girlies bring the wigs out and everything was quality, and we sit down and show y'all everything, come over the style, or just show y'all how the wigs are, and then come back a month later letting y'all know like how it held up, just showing y'all pictures and everything. Like, I miss those YouTube days when it came down to the hair industry. I feel like everything now, and especially on TikTok, is like buy, but nobody's looking at the longevity, the money that's being spent. Like, it's just not there no more. It's not giving. So at this point, I'm just looking like, where is my group of girls that's feeling the same way that I'm feeling, so I can fill in this gap that is missing, because it's just not right anymore. It's not. And I really wanted to sit back on this wig because I know I mentioned I want to go over the pros and cons on this, because this one right here has so much cons. Like, it was not worth me taking my mic and talking to y'all throughout this video because it's been so much. Like, girl, I finessed this look. Like, I try to finesse it because it just wasn't giving. It was not giving density. It wasn't giving the volume. It wasn't giving none of it. Like, it was just only giving color. So I tried to do the little widow's peak method on it, thinking I was going to give something, and y'all already know I got a big head. So the lace, I had to like cut it in the back a little bit just for it to, you know, come a little bit up on my head to fit comfortably. I had to do a lot of work. Like, I had to do a lot. And another thing, like, your girl is not a professional when it comes to, you know, installing wigs or anything like that, but I do know what I'm doing in a sense. So I took color remover to actually put on the color wig, because you're not supposed to use actual bleach, so you can give that scalp and the, you know, effect. I went to do color remover. I took one pack. I was like, okay, it's not giving. I went back and put another pack into it. Let it sit for about 45 minutes the first time. The second time, about 30 minutes. It still was not giving scalp. Like, the knots would not do anything. Like, it was just irritating to me. So it just took a lot of work. You see, I'm going with a new brand. Your girl has a Kiss spray thing. I got the 2-in-1 Kiss. If you're watching this video or you come across my video, listen, no Walmarts around me have the products in store. I had to go to local Sally Beauty, and I really want to try the volume 9. Everybody's hyping it. This one works good. It melts the lace pretty good. Like, I love it, but I really want to try the volume 9. So if you're paying attention, yeah. Honestly, y'all, I'm really like to the point where it's like, do I really want to do this anymore? And I'm not giving up, because I know there's people out there that really wants to look for quality content and, you know, get a giggle and a laugh and everything else. But I just feel like I have not found my people. And sometimes it gets discouraging. And I really wanted to take this time. Yeah, I'm installing the wig, but I really wanted to sit back and talk to y'all, because it's like, girl, it's a lot. And when it comes down to creative space, and I feel like now it's not oversaturated, but it is in a sense because these companies ain't paying. They thinking I'm gonna do everything for free. It's not working that way. And especially when y'all sending out quality like this right here. I gotta scratch my head. It was just so much. It was shedding so bad. I went back off camera and plucked the wig a little bit to give it, a look, to give it scalp. And this is how much hair came out of it right here from just plucking. Just plucking. That wasn't the hair that was shedding out the wig from when I washed it and combed it throughout this video and afterwards. Like, girl, it's been a lot. But we're going to take this little hot comb here and press the hair out to get it flat, even though, it was no volume and the hair was already given flat. Like, doop, like, yeah, that. Like, girl, it was given flat. And you get what you pay for. $89 for a 26-inch color wig, you gotta expect it. But at the end of the day, I've had other wigs that were a whole lot more quality in this price range. Realistically, I'm not even playing with how many cons it is with this wig. It's like I'm cutting the lace and it looks really good. Like, I'm just loving how easy the lace was to cut and how thin the knots were. If the knots were huge on this wig, I would honestly say just throw the whole wig away. Even though I had the problem with the color remover and it wasn't giving like the illusion of scalp like how I wanted to, but by the knots being pretty much small on it, that worked out in his favor. It worked out in his favor. And I was over here attempting to do this little widow's peak look, just trying to serve a look, girl, but I did the best that I can. The pros, it was giving color. Like, it was giving this nice little spicy red, cherry. I thought it was going to really give a nice thing, but it just really was like, it wasn't greener on the other side. It wasn't greener on the other side, but it still gave spicy mommy, but it just wasn't there. Here, I'm just going back in with my Kiss hairspray and putting back down the lace that lifted up in some areas and blow drying it down, and then taking, my wiggy band to make sure it's down and secured for like 5 minutes. And yeah, pretty much I'm just getting ready to go ahead and try to style the wig. But you can hear here, like, the lace was giving. It was giving a little scalp. It was giving something. We getting somewhere because look at the hairline. Look at the hairline. She's eating right now. She's eating. Just looking back at this video right now, girl, I really was like, oh, this is giving something, giving scalp, girl. I was giving nice and spicy. Like, this is giving spicy. If the density was a whole lot better on the wig, I could honestly say I could deal with the shedding pretty much, even though it was bad. But I feel like the shedding really played a part on the density because it shedded so much that all the hair is causing it to be thinner than what it really was. And that right there was like too much shedding, and the density was already like low. Yeah, but I tried to do the best that I could. I pulled out my hair for my bangs, and then I pulled out baby hairs because I said, even though it was kind of like giving scalp and giving that look, it just looked kind of weird because it wasn't really no density. So I said, let me just go ahead and try to do like a dramatic type of baby hair look. If you're new to my channel, I'm not a girl who does baby hair. I don't do baby hairs. I love that natural, clean, classy look when it comes down to the hairline. So I'm not a huge person on baby hairs, but your girl at this point tried to do what it do. So one side looked really good and the other side looked like crap. Like, it didn't look that bad, but I went back and said, girl, now you knew dang well you could do better than that. But this wig already put me through a lot, so I just gave what it gave on the wig because the wig wasn't already given. So I just tried. So I'm going to come back in a moment. I'm not really ready to style yet. I'm just going to work on these baby hairs a little bit, and then we'll get straight to the styling part. I told you I'm not one of the girls who do baby hairs. I was over here struggling on the side. It took a lot. I did that side so many times. I'm now sectioning off to do the little braided part of the wig. Like, I'm just doing this braided style, and as I'm looking back at the video, I'm like, girl, you were struggling. This side took me at least 4 times to get the braid right, like how I wanted it, in a sense. It wasn't that bad. It didn't take that long on this side, but I didn't get it all on camera. I came back in after I got it because I was like, girl, my camera's dying. I don't know when I'm going to get this done, but we got to keep pushing. And the other side, it took me at least 20 times. I couldn't even get it on camera. I started doing good for a moment, and then it was just like, yeah. So this side, I'm like, yeah, girl, I'm doing the thing. But honestly, I really had trouble trying to get the braid to look neat and do the stitch part because the hair was already tangling. Like, it really gave synthetic. Like, I know for a fact this is not human hair. The way it was shedding everything, I know this wig is not going to last me a month. It's cute to wear for like a quick little style if you needed something affordable to do, like maybe a photo shoot, something just to get by for a moment. But like longevity wise, yeah, no, I don't recommend. This side, as y'all see, it's tangling. Like, I'm trying to braid, pushing through. I was doing what it do. I had to start over, but I caught this little glimpse in this little clip of me getting this side done. But yeah, I did the little 2 braids, and then I'm going to curl it, and we're going to be pretty much finished soon. Okay, I got the 2 braids together. Now it's time to get the back part and the curls done. It took a lot for me to get those little braids there, but we finally made it. I'm in the middle of actually taking this wand curler and doing wand curls on the wig. I was a little upset because at this time of me wand curling the hair, I already knew the wig was giving me issues, but I had to go to the grocery store. So as y'all see now in this clip, I have my flexi rods in because I'm now back from the grocery store. It was raining. So I flexi rodded thinking I wasn't going nowhere, but I forgot I had a grocery store run. And now this is where we at. So I'm trying to do this bang part, girl. As I told y'all a while ago, the bang part was not doing it because look, I barely have that much hair to do anything. So it's like kind of greasy, oily. It's not giving. So I'm basically giving like this little curl set that you get at the salon when your hair is short. Like, that's the type of look I was giving. But yeah, we're getting ready to close out. The final look is coming towards the end. If you made it this far, I do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, because if you made it this far and you have not subscribed yet, girl, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next freaking video. Bye.
Uno, two, tres, four. Uno, two, tres.
Hey, you ain't flying baby squirrel. Hey, you ain't driving around the world. Hey, you ain't brown like a squirrel. Hey, you ain't sitting down pearls. Hey, you ain't Rolls Royce car. Hey, you ain't Rolls Royce truck.